True with Guns America, we're at the 2026 NRA show in Houston, Texas, and these are the weirdest and wackiest things we saw here at the show. Tell us what you think in the comments. All right, this is the brand new Toarov stock pump. So, unlike a traditional pump action, it pumps back here in the stock. Brand new here at the NRA show 2026. Obviously 12 gauge. Got a nice heat shroud up here on the top, got M-lock on the sides. This does take a choke. Got a fiber optic side on here. But pretty unique design, right? Allows you to do stuff like, whoops, I did it wrong. There you go. Coming soon, check it out. SDS Arms, the Toarov stock pump. We are at NRA 2026 and I'm holding in my hands a brand new I guess this is a pistol in this configuration, but this is the brand is Pistolo and the model of this is the 77 degree. So this is a lever delayed blowback system, and it uses Glock style magazines. Like here's an extended mag. This one has a pick rail on the back with a brace set up on it, but you can see this all one piece square. These take their own sort of M-lock accessories. Here's how you charge it, is with this handle that you can reach from either side, and that just flips down. And then this is your bolt release, and this is your bolt hold open, which we will pull the mag out so you can see that. So that holds it open, and you can just hit it there. This plastic shroud comes over and actually protects the optic. It's pretty interesting. And then there's a shroud over this, but there's a threads under here, so you can add a suppressor. Here's another example of a different model with accessories on there and a different red dot. So brand new, the 77 degree, it's 9mm obviously, from Pistolo. So pretty interesting, ambi safeties, and pretty much everything else is completely ambi because it's in the center of the gun or it's on both sides. So let's just see what the trigger feels like. Trigger's not bad. Yeah, so that's what we know about this. It's being imported, so look up Pistolo if you want to learn more about this new 77 degree option. Price point is almost $4, so I'm pretty surprising price point for this, but maybe it's worth it. So if we should get one of these in to do a full review, let us know in the comments if you'd like to learn more about this. All right, so here's one of the more interesting things we've seen here at NRA. This is a kind of a line extension. We covered this stuff before, but this is the Empire cage system. It allows you to put a pick rail and a muzzle brake device on your 686 or your Colt Python. So here's kind of an example of what we're talking about here with the pick rail and this on here. So it's gotten a lot simpler than the original version with just 4 holes on each side, which is actually a pretty slick way to do that. And I believe it's new on the 686 for Smith & Wesson as well. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. So if you're into revolvers and maybe modernizing them, this might be right up your alley. We're checking out a new product called the Def Grip. And it's this kind of rubber overmolded thing that you can put on any of your guns. This is what it looks like when you get it, but it's got this really soft, super grippy texture to it, and it's kind of almost padded. So it actually does feel really nice to your hand. It's definitely going to help if you have issues with your hand slipping around your gun. The other really kind of interesting thing about it is that it disperses water really quickly, so if you were to get wet, blood, that kind of stuff on your hands, let's just show them real quick here. Will you stick some water on that? So if you watch this water, it just disperses it and it goes away, and now you don't have any sort of slippery surface there for your hand to grab on. So if you want to learn more about this, that's their website. It's defgripusa.com. It's really not an expensive product. It's pretty innovative how they install it. It's really easy. So let us know in the comments what you think, and check it out. All right, this is the Taurus 22 Tuck. It's a semi-auto 22 long rifle that is set up so you don't have to rack the slide if you don't want to. by just simply popping this lever. Barrel pops out. Not really a new technology, but it's new from Taurus, and it's threaded. So this would make a great suppressed little 22. Now, here's the other thing about it. There are no external safeties. The hammer is totally hidden. It's got a really long double action trigger pulley. So, and it's just straight double action. That's all you get right there. And it's not crazy heavy. It's actually relatively smooth, but it is pretty long. So the serrations in the slide are pretty deep. Kind of a cute little gun. The 22 tuck from Taurus. One more time. All right. These are the SRC Tactical Boxers, and they've got this gel pad in them. And we're going to actually have the Joseph here tell us about them. So go ahead and talk.
So this is a concealed carry boxer brief that you wear like any other underwear. Between you and your gun is the padding, so that when you get dressed in the morning with your underwear on, you can now put your concealed carry, any firearm that you use, and you are protected all day long from getting poked and prodded. It is a wash and wear unit that comes as a package. It is bamboo blend. It is high endurance padding, so it's very comfortable. Wear it all day long, comfortable.
All right, so this is what you've been looking for. Where can they go to find more information?
So srctactical.com. We have a website that we sell all of them, and of course the gun show we're selling a whole bunch.
All right, there you go.